Hello everyone, Joseph Gahn here. Today I'm doing a review of the Logitech G933 Artemis Spectrum headphones. These headphones light up different colors, they're RGB. I bought this at $130, now you can get them for probably I think $70 on sale. Sound quality is mediocre. They updated the software and I noticed that the sound quality actually went down. So they went from Logitech gaming software to Logitech G Hub, and G Hub's audio quality is horrible. Mic quality is horrible. These headphones are $40 headphones, I would say, and they're charging too much money for them because they break very easily. Don't buy these headphones. Also, if you had the G930 headphones, they were like perfect. These are not those headphones. These break after about 3 months of using them. I've taken these apart many times and finally I broke them from taking it apart so many times. I'm gonna open this up and show you my major problem with them. So as you can see, I broke them, but that's because I was hot gluing this circuit board down, because this circuit board moves. Of course it doesn't now because I hot glued it, but this circuit board will move after about 3 months from just pressing these side buttons. Like you can see, it doesn't even touch it anymore. And this is my second pair of headphones. Don't buy these headphones. The sound quality is mediocre. The recording quality is horrible. Like I use these to stream and do voice chat, and people are like, wow, were you like inside of a refrigerator or something? This is garb. These headphones, like, don't even buy them. They're so bad. The range is pretty good. They're, I think, about 40 feet. I emailed Logitech because this is the second pair I've had where they've done this, and they're like, nope, sorry, you're out of warranty. No new headphones for you, even though this is a clear manufacturer defect that this circuit board moves. Other people online have also had this problem. So if you buy these headphones, you're making a mistake. So when that circuit board is moved, it causes the power switch to not be in a stable position, which causes and you can feel that it's not stable. Like you can feel it wiggle back and forth. It causes the right headphone sound quality to distort. So I'll be playing a game and you can hear the volume going up and down, or like sounds that are a certain frequency will be lower than other sounds of another frequency. Like usually I'll get lower tones and lower frequencies phasing in and out. Right before it broke, left headphones started doing it too. This was an issue for about a year. I had this second set for 3 months before this happened, and I just dealt with it for a year, that they were just broken. So these headphones, sound quality is pretty garb. Mic quality is horrible. I do live streams. People are like, were you underwater? Same with in voice chat and video games. They're just $40 headphones. They're not worth whatever price Logitech is saying there is. They're really horrible headphones, and I wish I bought Corsair instead. Bought these headphones because I had a pair of Logitech G930s, and those were fire. They lasted me 5 years. They were really good quality. I never had any problems with them, and I resold them for like $20. And that's a completely okay price because they were perfect headphones. But these aren't even as good as a model that came out, like, I think it was 6 or 7 years ago, and that's completely unacceptable. These are the worst headphones I've ever owned. I wish I bought Corsair headphones.